name's Ellie Starkey, and I am a partner at Starkey Farms in southern Boone County, and been farming for 30 years with my husband, my father-in-law, my brother-in-law, and our two sons. And I run the high-speed disc in the spring and run it some in the fall, do a lot of grain cart driving in the fall as well. We farm approximately about 6,800 acres, like I said, in southern Boone County, and it's the best life one could possibly have.
Hi, I'm Nick Starkey with Starkey Farms, and we've been running the Mach Till for about a year now. And what we love about it is we can leave the corn stalks in the fall. We don't work them. We have worked this field once with the Mach Till in the fall. We come back in the spring. But what I love about it is we can leave our fall residue out in the field. We come hit it once with the Mach Till. You're taking care of weeds. You're leaving an excellent seed bed to plant beans into. And we've been really impressed with like the lack of maintenance that you have to do on it, and just the levelness and consistency of your seed bed and finish of it.